Visibility modifiers for access control. Access control is about controlling visibility, so access modifier are also known as visibility modifier. If a method or a variable visible to another class, then only it can be referred to another class. To protect a method variable from such reference, we use a 4 level of visibility to provide necessary protection. There is 4 level of visibility. Okay, so we can say that there is 4P for protection: public, package, protected and private. Access modifier public, protected, private are used before the type of variable or a method. वेरिएबल और मेथड की विजिबिलिटी क्या है, उसके लिए ये 4P है कि वो कौन यूज़ कर सकता है, पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल कौन देख सकता है, उसके लिए 4P है. फर्स्ट, when no modifier is used, it is default one having visibility only within package that contain the class. By default visibility is package. Package is used to organize classes. To do so, package statement should be added as the first non-comment or a non-blank line in a source file. When a file does not having package, the class defined in a file are placed in default package. Package statement have following syntax. This is a syntax of package statement: package and package name. See this visibility. First is a public, widest, then package, then protected, and then private. So widest to narrowest, this is the most widest public, and this is private is the most narrowest public. Any member or a variable is visible to class in which it is defined. If we want to make it visible to all class outside this class, declare the method or a variable to have a public access. जब हम पब्लिक डिक्लेयर करेंगे तो वो सब यूज़ कर सकते हैं आउटसाइड क्लास, outside the class. This is the widest possible access, means public is the widest possible access, means सब उसे access कर सकते हैं. It provide visibility to class defined in other package also. To provide public access, use access modifier public before type of variable or a method. Public float length, public double area. Note that public variable method are visible anywhere and thus can be accessed from other source file and package also. We have used public keyword within main method to make it available to everyone. Public static void main जो हम यूज़ करते हैं method. Next is a package. After public, second is a package. This is the next level of access that has no precise name. It is indicated by the lack of any access modifier keyword in declaration. This is a default level of protection. Which level of protection is default? This is a package. Okay. The scope is narrower than public. Public is the widest. Then after package, the variable or method can be accessed from anywhere in package that contain the class but not from outside the package. The scope of visibility is not work at outside. Note that the source file without package statement is considered as a package by default. If you write nothing, by default it is a package visibility. In our program till now it is good as a public. Refer the program shown in figure 8.9. Rectangle. Okay, this is a program. There is two class in program. Here is a class rectangle and other is a class rectangle demo. Here rectangle class has two attributes, length and width. It also have variable method. We have not used any modifier keyword, so they have package protection by default. Due to this reason, they are directly accessed in another class, rectangle demo, defined in the same source file default package. See this, there is no visibility modifier, so it is the visibility of this class is package, and there is two variable which use also in rectangle demo. Next is a protected. Third level of visibility is protected. This level of protection is used to allow the access only to subclass or to share with the method declared as a friend. Thus the visibility is narrower than previous two level but wider than full privacy protected by fourth level प्राइवेट से उसकी विजिबिलिटी अच्छी है लेकिन पैकेज से कम है. In a simple way we can say that if you have a mobile phone, if you give a password protection but your friend want to see the content or call from your phone, you give him a password, that is called protected. So your friend can use your phone. If you give a biometrics, then you only can use your phone. That this is a level of protection is a private, so only you can use your mobile. So private is a most narrowest visibility and public is the most widest visibility. So protected is a method declared as a friend, thus visibility is narrower than previous two level but wider than full privacy protected by fourth level. And last is a private. Highest level of protection can be achieved by using private protection. This provides the narrowest visibility. The private method and variable directly accessed only by the method defined within a class. They cannot be seen by any other class. This may seem extremely restrictive, but it is in fact a commonly used level of protection. It provides data encapsulation, hiding data from words, site and limit its manipulation. When you declare as a private, nobody can use your method and data. Anything that should be directly shared with anyone, including its subclass, is private. The best way to provide data encapsulation is to make as much data as private as possible. We already discussed about the concept of data encapsulation. What is data encapsulation? Data encapsulation means declare your class or declare your method and variable as a private so nobody can use it. So there is 4P. See the same program, but here the length and width declare as a private, so this can be used only by the class rectangle. In other class this variable is not accessible, so our program not run properly and give the error. So private member of a class not accessible with the other class. Same program like 8.9, but here only one keyword added is a private. So these two variable is not accessible by class rectangle visibility 1. Now accessor and mutator method. When we restrict access to data by declaring them as a private, our purpose is to protect them from getting directly access or modify method of other class. Okay, our concept is that when we declare it as a private, nobody outside the class access the our method. But if you want to allow such a data to be used by other, then we write accessor method. If we want to allow such a data to be modified by other, then we write mutator method. That means we want other people, other class can use your private data. You must use accessor method, and you give a permission to modify the data, you must use mutator method. So accessor can access and mutator can modify. That is a main concept. Conventionally, namely, naming of accessor and mutator method is to capitalize first letter of variable name and then prepend the variable name with the prefix get and set respectively. Due to this convention, accessor method is known as getter and mutator method is as setter. Means what? अगर वो प्राइवेट मेंबर है, वो आप चाहते हैं कि कोई उसे यूज़ करे, तो एक्सेसर मेथड यूज़ करना पड़ता है, और आप चाहते हैं कि कोई उसे मॉडिफाई करे तो म्यूटेटर मेथड यूज़ करना पड़ता है. एक्सेसर मेथड के लिए गेटर एंड म्यूटेटर मेथड के लिए सेटर का यूज़ होता है. Observe that in code listing 8.11, see this, there is a same program. These member are length and width are already private, okay, but when we use, see this, get length, get width, then you can see that our program runs successfully, and private member can also access by other class. So getter and setter method, getter is used for accessor and setter is used for mutator. Main difference of accessor and mutator is accessor can access your variable and mutator can modify your data. If you want to allow other method to read only and data value, we should get getter. If you want to allow other method to modify data, we should setter. If you want other class only just allow to read your data, okay, private data you can allow for reading, then you use getter, but when you allow for modification, then you use setter. That is the concept of getter and setter. Use of accessor mutator method will prevent the variable from getting directly accessed and modified by other user of class. It may seem a little difficult to get used to this, as we need to write get and set for each and every instant variable per need, but this mirror inconvenience will reward us with years of reusability and maintenance. Passing object as a parameter. Passing object as a parametering method omitted in our syllabus. So page number 175. Then next topic is inheritance. We already learned the concept of inheritance. Inheritance means वारसो. Okay, object oriented programming language provide reusability feature using inheritance. Inheritance allows us to build new class with added capability by extending existing class. नया क्लास बनाएगा जिसमें उसके वेरिएबल मेथड होंगे और वो उसके पेरेंट क्लास का भी वेरिएबल मेथड यूज़ कर सकता है. इनहेरिटेंस मॉडल इज अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू क्लास. दिस इज द मेन थिंग, इज अ रिलेशनशिप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, classroom is a room, student is a person. Here room and person are called parent class, classroom and student are called child class. Parent class also referred to as a superclass or a base class. In the same way, child class is also referred to as a subclass and derived class or a extend class. We can call parent class as a superclass, or we can say base class. Same thing, parent class, child class, superclass, subclass, base class, derived class or extended class. When two classes have a easier relationship, we use inheritance. मीन्स क्या होता है कि कॉमन फीचर्स दोनों में होते हैं. सो पेरेंट क्लास का वेरिएबल एंड मेथड चाइल्ड क्लास यूज़ कर सकता है, और चाइल्ड का क्लास का वेरिएबल मेथड अपना भी होगा, वो भी ऐड होगा. Common feature are kept in superclass. Subclass inherit all inheritance or instant variable and method from superclass, and it may have its own added variable and method. Note that constructor are not inherited in subclass. Constructor, we learn about constructor in last video. What is constructor? Have a same name as a class name. For example, like room, classroom also have variable length, width, height, number of window. In addition, it has a bench and capacity of each bench can be accommodated as a for student. For example, room is a parent class. So what is variable of room class? Length, width, height and number. And classroom is a child class, but some additional features of child classroom are number of benches and number of capacity of benches, etc. Similarly, subclass inherits all method of superclass and it may have additional method. Superclass की सब मेथड वो लेगा और अपना ऐड करेगा. Here subclass classroom has is additional method, so display gets its and its constructor method. So inheritance का concept क्या है? वो see this is a room, this is a parent class and this is a child class. parent class का length with height number of window तो लेगा, लेकिन उसका अपना bench और seat bench वो अलग से ऐड होगा. इनहेरिटेंस के लिए इंडिकेशन के लिए ये एरो है. सब क्लास चाइल्ड क्लास से पेरेंट क्लास की तरफ इंडिकेट करता हुआ एरो है. लास्ट बोर्ड एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आया था. सी दिस इज अ पेरेंट क्लास, लेंथ विथ हाइट, एंड दिस इज अ चाइल्ड क्लास. लेंथ विथ हाइट तो आएगा, लेकिन नंबर ऑफ विंडो और नंबर ऑफ विंडो ये 4 कॉमन फीचर है और ये 2 नए फीचर हैं. सो दिस इज अ कंसेप्ट ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. सो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. Next topic is private member of superclass. In a previous example, all instance have package visibility. कुछ भी नहीं लिखा होगा तो visibility आएगी package. So they are available for direct use in entire package. If you change the visibility of instant variable superclass to private, these variable are not directly accessed. We all know private member not directly accessed. Remember that these attributes belong to subclass also, but still private instant variable or method are not visible even in subclass. Private declare किया होगा तो वो subclass में भी use नहीं हो सकता है. That's why private member directly available only in class in which they are defined and nowhere else. To make them available, we already learned two method, getter and setter. Getter used for only reading variable and setter is used for modify the variable. Next is a protected member of subclass. As studied before in a topic about visibility modifier, protected are available as a private member in an inherited subclass. Modify the instant variable of a classroom to protect as follow. When we executed modifier code, we will get same result in shown in 8.50. It is not to be noted that Java does not support multiple inheritance. Subclass can be derived from only one super class. One thing is that Java not support multiple inheritance. That means only one superclass, only one subclass can be derived from only one superclass. Subclass का एक ही superclass आता है. Next topic is composition and aggregation. Composition and aggregation are the constructor of class that incorporate other objects. They are established as a relationship. We already learned about composition and aggregation in chapter 6. Here is an example. For example, if we define class library, it has a reading room. Here, reading room is an object of a classroom. The library has a room. When a class include object of other class, it is also referred to a container class. See, this person has a name, address. Here, name is of class name with 3 attribute. हमारे पास एक क्लास नेम है, उसके 3 एट्रीब्यूट है. फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट, मिडल एंड लास्ट नेम. एड्रेस नाम का क्लास है, उसके एट्रीब्यूट है हाउस नंबर, अपार्टमेंट, सोसाइटी, एरिया, कंट्री, सिटी, स्टेट एक्सेट्रा. सेम थिंग कार है स्टीयरिंग व्हील, engine. Here steering is of class steering and wheel is of wheel class wheel and engine is of class engine. All 3 attribute of class car are component of part car. Let us create example. एग्जाम्पल दिया है. एग्जाम्पल में क्या है, सी दिस. एक क्लास लिया है रूम, उसमें वेरिएबल है लेंथ, विथ, हाइट एंड विंडो एंड स्टैटिक कीवर्ड यूज फॉर क्लास वेरिएबल टोटल विंडो. ये कंस्ट्रक्टर है विदाउट आर्ग्यूमेंट रूम एंड ये भी कंस्ट्रक्टर है विथ आर्ग्यूमेंट. वी नो दैट द कंस्ट्रक्टर इज द सेम नेम एज अवर क्लास नेम. सी दिस. द थर्ड कंस्ट्रक्टर है ये एल और डब्ल्यू के लिए, लेंथ और विथ के लिए. डबल एरिया मेथड है जो एरिया फाइंड करती है. डिस्प्ले मेथड है जिसमें सब डिस्प्ले होता है. और लास्ट का है क्लास लाइब्रेरी. इसमें बुक्स, मैगजीन, न्यूज़पेपर जैसे वेरिएबल है और उसमें भी मेथड है. लास्ट इज अ क्लास कंटेनर. उसमें R1 और R2, R1 उसमें R1 ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया है लाइब्रेरी के लिए, LIB ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया विद द कीवर्ड न्यू. So see this. Observe the following point. In main method class container, an object library of class library created using constructor with 4 argument. In library class, an object reading room is an attribute of class room and 3 constructor बनाया है. तो ये एग्जाम्पल है वो has a relationship का है, not a is a relationship. So inheritance is a different thing and aggregation and composition is a different thing. So here our chapter is complete.